welcome to the channel, guys. I said, you know what, let me share with everybody where I have gotten thus far. So guys, if you have been viewing any of your girls videos over here, you'll know I said that I am gonna be decorating for Christmas, and your girl has started, and I was like, let me share with everybody how far I have gotten. As you can see, this is my cocoa bar station in your screen. I have these actually Christmas ornaments that are nutcrackers, guys. I got these last year, I believe, from Walmart. The Santa Claus, which is giving all pinkness, so stinking cute. I got him from at home, guys. So let's drop down and show you right here on my desk, my new downsized desk, guys. Of course, I have my Juicy Couture bag that I am currently rocking. It is a vibe. You can check out that what's in my bag on that girl. I don't know if I've posted it yet or not, but if I have not, it's coming. Okay, it's coming. So as you can see, this cluster of trees, guys, that I have right here, the tallest one, I got that last year. This one I got last year as well. These two right here are the newest ones that I picked up this year. This tree lights up, and I got this one because I got that one. So guys, you see my infamous nutcracker. He is giving vibes. That is his location for this year of 2023, and we just got him maybe a month or two ago. So that is where I'm gonna have him placed in my closet in my closet for this year. I think he's so cute right there by the pink dress. It is a vibe. Now, I put the little feather boa on my mirror, guys. I'm gonna do a little bit extra to that, but for right this minute, as I am filming this video, you see it like that. But I do have some more plans for that girl. Okay. Now, guys, if you see my pack system, and when I say loving, I do mean I am loving this pack system, really. I put this nutcracker that I got last year, guys. I put him on that shelf. Total vibes. These two nutcracker statues and the little gingerbread hut or house or whatever it is what I have there. They are adorable to me. Guys, leave in the comments what you think. What do you think about my decorating? Is it giving? I do have, guys, like I say, honesty and transparency. I am giving you because this is my bracelets. I took them off. I have not moved them off from this area. So as you can see, I have that little nutcracker and this little small tree in that space. And I do have this box, my Tory Burch bag, guys. That is a Temu box that I have full of things that I have not even reviewed yet. Guys, this is the next shelf, giving vibes again. I love this nutcracker. As you can see, if you haven't caught it yet, guys, I love to buy things in pairs. If I have something and it's one, believe you me, at the time when I purchased it, that was the only one. This little pink brush tree is so cute to me, guys. I am loving it. It's just total vibes with this space right here. It's just like a thing for me. I think it's so pretty. My next shelf, guys, I absolutely love my Uggs that have been customized. I think they are adorable. Do you see my Santa? He is oh so cute. Let's see. Next, on my next shelf right here, guys, I don't have any Christmas items on that tier right there. I do have the gingerbread girl and boy on the next shelf. I got that this year, guys, from At Home as well. You see my bags? Aren't they giving? They are giving cuteness. If you have not seen the renovated space, girl, get into it. It is an entire vibe. Okay, guys, I have this tree and I have another gingerbread, another nutcracker guy, and I believe I got him 2 years or so ago before I even came on to YouTube. So, and I got I got him from the Christmas store. Total vibes, guys. And when we move over, do you see my little fairy girl? Too cute. I got her from the At Home store this year as well. And of course, I didn't just get one, I got two. Okay, guys, right here I have this little gingerbread house, and here I have these two brush trees that I got sometime last year. Another nutcracker Christmas ornament, and then I got these nutcrackers. They're kind of fluffy, kind of, they're kind of chunky like, but I think they're cute. So guys, I have the other darker like magenta pink nutcrackers on the side. I think it is an entire vibe. I just love that this space in my space, guys. I love this little area so much. And the piece that I am really loving, I think this whole space right here comes together for me when you look down at the sofa. It is giving entire vibes. Okay, say it with me, guys. Vibes. These two gingerbread pillows are everything. I mean everything. They were really worth the wait because they took an entirety to come. So if you go on Amazon and you're trying to obtain these, baby, you really may get, if you order them now, you really may get them after Christmas. Like, please believe that. And this blanket, I was so happy that I was able to score this, and I scored it inside of a Burlington, guys. They have this stuff on Poshmark and Macquarie. Disrespectful. They were about to get me, but God let me buy it for the regular price. Okay, and I'm happy about that. Now, guys, again, in my transparency, you see this Urban Outfitters. Today I was out. I bought a few things. Okay, a lot of things. I will be doing a haul on all the items that I did purchase. But guys, this is being transparent, showing you my space. Do you see the thing of tissues over there? Okay, yes. So this is what I have going on currently in my space, and I am loving. When I say loving it all, when I walk in here, I just love it. So as you can see, I do not have my Christmas tree up. And so what does that mean, guys? I will be doing another video showing you my space at its completed, well, what I feel like it's completed view. So guys, if you was here for this video and you think that my items so far, the way that I have things set up, if you agree with me that they are fabulously cute and it is given a vibe, baby, leave a little likey like in, no, give me a little likey like and a thumbs up, okay, that you enjoyed this video. Get into this space. I am in love. Okay, when I say in love, I mean it. I can show my closet 50 million different ways to me personally because it's just a vibe. So guys, until the next time, what do I say? Bye for now.